Hello and welcome back to the puppet shop. My name is John. We're back in my basement. Not only do I make puppets down here, but I also have some other things I'd like to share with you that are in my basement. One of them is one of my favorite things to do, and that is balloon animals. Oh, sorry, we have a guest appearance from our cat. It's Kit Kat. Say hi, Kit Kat. I'm filming a video. Yeah, I'm filming a video. Say hi. For those of you that don't know me very well, I was a clown for a very long time. I started clowning when I was 8 years old, and I clowned all the way till the end of high school. And clowning is how I got into theater in the first place. And I would argue that at the Children's Theater, I'm clowning around most of the time. One of the things I did when I was a clown was balloon animals. It's how I bought my first car, was blowing up balloons and saving my money from making balloons for people. And I thought I'd share with you some of my favorite balloon animals or things. Today, we're gonna make a balloon dog. It requires a certain amount of balloon that you... Did you wanna be in the video? This was the first balloon animal that I ever learned to make, and it's probably my favorite. And it was a red balloon. So I normally stretch my balloons out a little bit, and then I put some air in there. Now, every balloon animal requires a certain amount of filled balloon and a certain amount of not filled balloon, because every time you twist, the air gets closer and closer to the end, and if you run out of end, you have a pop. Balloon animals are basically a bunch of twists of different size bubbles. A dog goes like this. We have a medium-sized bubble and two small bubbles, and you twist those together. That makes the ears. A small bubble for the neck, two medium-sized bubbles for the legs, a little bit bigger bubble for the tummy, two more medium-sized bubbles for the legs, and then my favorite, you can help me. On the count of three, will you just blow on the tail for me? On the count of three. 1, 2, 3. That makes the tail. And then we have a little balloon dog. I also like to put faces on my balloon animals, so we'll put a little eye on one side and a little eye on the other side and a little mouth and a tongue. And there you have a balloon dog. Now, your balloon dog can do a few tricks. It can stay. Oh, it can roll over. It can sit. And if you lick your finger and scratch its fleas, it barks. So this is a balloon dog. Another thing that I discovered recently about balloon dogs is one of my new favorite books. It's called Spencer's New Pet, and it's all about a red balloon dog.